Okay, we are right here at the Schooner Haven, Schooner Bay, or Markthallen, the market area where you can get all the souvenirs right in front of the Royal Plaza on the Algie Smith Boulevard, where you can get a lot of information about for the tourism sector, but also for our locals. It is very important to preserve part of our heritage. We are right in front of the cruise ship terminal, so we are a well-known area and the area that needs protection. Okay, also for our English-speaking tourism or visitors from all over the world, we would like to expand our gratitude to you who visit Aruba, and nowadays you are looking for more things of the cultural and heritage. That's why we are putting this banner, so you to realize that we are protecting, we are asking, we are striving for protection of our heritage sites, and that's why we are doing this now, try to inform you about not only this area that is a historical area, but we want it to be protected, because an urban without protection is an urban without planification in anything. So that's why for our 200 years celebration of Oranjestad, the city of Oranjestad, and also putting this only beach into account, looking at that we have the only beach in the city, in the area, because it is something unique that we like to promote and give you the opportunity to know more about our heritage.